Eli 5. Why have there never been animals as big as the dinosaurs since their extinction?
Although they didn't exceed the size of the dinosaurs, the megafauna of the Eocene-Oligocene grew much larger than modern mammals. The largest known being relatives of the modern rhinoceros known as Paraceratheridae, the largest of which may have weighed up to 20 tons.
Isn't blue whale bigger than dinosaurs? And it's a mammal.
Basically, point 1. It takes time for animals to get big, and the age of mammals only just begun. Reminder: dinosaurs weren't very big when they first appeared in Triassic. 2. How big animals can get depends on if there are enough resources to support it. Currently humans kind of enforced a hard limiter on that.